Hey guys, I'm here at Betong 0 km Route 410. See all the different stickers, and we got the Qooder Bobby. Bobby is also here. You can see the whole shop. Okay, inside all the shirts. Let's see, I already bought the shirts. All the different shirts, all the new model ones, and surf pants and other shirts also lah. Very nice shop. Managed to get some stickers also. The cap. All the stickers. Of course, the sign 0 km Betong Route 410. Well, what else then to also stick the sticker? You can put somewhere near the entrance so that you all can see. Yeah. Okay, X0 is here at Route 410 with Bobby.
Well, that was a quick look at the Betong Route 410 shop. Managed to get me some stickers and a Route 410 jersey to wear for this South Thailand ride. Also, you can make a certificate of achievement, as this is also the starting point for the 100 corners of Betong, which I just learned recently. Well, decided to make one since it is the journey I'm about to embark the following day after my stay here, and since I'm not heading back, decided to do the certificate beforehand. Also, I managed to get in touch with Abang Halim, and he would settle my insurance by the next day, which is on the weekday. So now that's settled, I searched for a nearby accommodation. Happened to found one right behind called River Inn Resort, so I decided to check it out. I believe there are many other hotels around, but for me I just wanted somewhere cheap and nearby to the Betong Route 410 shop, since it is just for the night. Checked out the hotel at the reception, and also good that there is sheltered parking right behind. So time to unload my stuff and go and explore Betong.
Okay. Put in the key, and we have power. Okay, check out the room. Nice big bed, TV, and dripping the windows. This is closed. Just close this so that people will stop bugging me. All right, it's a view of this river, and Check out the room, man. Okay, this should be the light for the toilet. With a normal toilet. It's me. My new shirt and of course bathtub. There's a quick look of the room. Here in Betong. Good chance to show you inside here. Smoking corner at the back. Then mentioned the other side all got connecting rooms. If you were coming at a bigger group, so it's about 800 Thai baht per room. All same. This view of this stream here. Of course, more lepak spots if you have a bigger group. So that's the view of the room here at River Inn Resort.